Hey Pyros, this is Valmir from Elite Fireworks, and this is a follow-up to our Fireworks International video that we just had the other day. So if you have not watched that, I highly recommend it. But now guys, we are shooting some of the fireworks that we actually bought. So the first product that we want to shoot for you guys is called Blue Sea. So this product is 61 shot, and guys, if you notice here, it says 250 grams, but as you know, a lot of the fireworks are mislabeled here just because, it has to do with shipping, but this is more closer to a 2 kilo cake. Now, another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is, as you can see with the actual tubes themselves in the cake. So this is 61 shots of 61 different tubes. However, though, look how compact together they are. So legally in the U.S., this would not, you know, pass regulations at all. So that's why you see in the US 200-gram cakes are a lot more compact, close up, whereas anything over 200 grams, realistically they require us to put some separation. So that's why you see the styrophones or whatever, different companies do use. All right, now it's the time to go ahead and shoot Blue Sea. So I'm gonna hand over the camera. Sudi will be your camera guy. So you guys do know I'm not actually there in person. So enjoy guys, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.
All right guys, we're going to shoot the big one, the 61 shot, blue sky. All right, hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is what means oh my god, that was just 150 grams by Albanian law. That was overloaded, over 2 kilos.